G'day viewers, welcome to another Wimbletrain layout update. So I'll show you the corner module I just finished, the single corner module with the 2 row of cottage scale scenes kits on there, right in front of you there. I'll just zoom in and have a bit of a closer look. So I've basically done the 2 rows of cottages. We'll go around the back in a minute and have a look at the backyards. And I've just done a bit of landscaping in the front there. So we can see there we've got a bit of a view of the backyards now of the row of cottages. So that's all the detailing I've put in the back there. This triple station module that I'm making is taken up most of my time here. So you can see I've got a station, rather large station, all scale scenes kits. And then there's a few buildings in progress there, the high street buildings from scale scenes as well. I've only built sort of a little part of that so far. So here we can see the close-up of the fronts of the high street buildings, shops along the bottom there. And then we can go across to the station. So the station here was something I built previously. I'm not sure whether I'm going to use the 1 or the 2 buildings. Probably the 2 I think looks better rather than just the 1 on its own. That's how the kit is, so we might go with that. So I've made a couple of purchases, one planned, one unplanned. This is the planned one, the Hunslet from the Engage Society. Rather a very nice detailed little Loco, this one. So the unplanned purchase I did was this Class 27 that I got off eBay at a very good price. Quite happy with it. It's virtually brand new looking and it runs really well. So that's pretty much it for this update. Pretty quick one this time around. Like I said, spending most of my time working on the scale scenes kits, so it's taking up a lot of time. So thanks for watching once again. Thanks to all my subscribers. You can subscribe if you enjoy this video and this channel, and we hope to see you next time. So this is John at Wimbletrain saying bye for now, take it easy.